and thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a rose. Well, I'm really excited because this is my favorite kind of flower. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do so right now. Awesome, well let's go try to draw a rose and see what we can come up with. We're going to start by drawing a teardrop shape for the first petal. Then, right underneath that one, we're going to draw the second petal. Now, in the center of the page, above the first petal we made, we're going to make the center of the rose. Next, we're going to make the petals on the right side. Next, we're going to make a wavy line coming from the middle of the flower that curves down to the bottom of the flower. For the next petal, we're going to make somewhat of a teardrop-like shape again. And then we're going to make the top part of our last petal with a curvy line. Next, we're going to go through the petals and add some lines for detail. Now for one of the final parts of making our rose, we're going to make the stem. We're going to make 2 lines coming down from the bottom of the rose. After that, we're going to add a leaf to the right side. You can add yours where we did, or you can add it wherever you'd like. This is how to draw a rose. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your rose in with us.